Did you know that as many as 69% of email recipients send a message straight to spam based on the subject line alone? What's up guys, I'm George, we are NetHunt and you are watching a video guide on how to write email subject lines that get your emails open. Oh, and don't forget, if you want more videos about marketing, sales and customer support, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You already know where the button is, it's right below this video. Email marketing is the future. The problem is everybody else already knows it. Email inboxes around the world are full to bursting with the same old tired, unopened emails. Because the truth is you could send the best email in the world. You could reveal all the secrets of the universe, but nobody would ever see it if it didn't have a catchy subject line. So, let's take a look at what makes a good, openable email. Whilst I'm on the subject, if you want to further explore the world of cold emails, follow the link in the description and download our sizzling hot guide to cold sales emails. You will not regret it. Keys to an openable email. Keep it short and sweet. Your subject line needs to be concise. It's 21% likely to be opened if it's 6 to 10 words long, as opposed to just 9% when it's 21 to 25 words long. Add some urgency. Your subject line should incorporate some urgent language. Emails are 22% more likely to be opened if words like hurry, quick, and now are included in the subject line. Say it with a smile. Emojis work, but don't overdo it. Emails have a 56% higher open rate with an emoji in the subject line. But if you put too many emojis, you might lose the meaning. Personalize it. Modern marketing relies more and more on personalization. This is especially true in B2B business. 74% of marketers reported that something as simple as a name in the subject line increases engagement. And finally, timing is absolutely everything. Arguably, this is the most important point, even though it doesn't necessarily relate to subject lines. Your emails need to be sent at the right time to have the best chance of being opened. If you send it too early, people might not be ready for it. But if you send it too late, it might get lost in the riffraff of all the other emails. So, using these techniques is great. But they're all irrelevant if your cold email has no purpose. The list of cold emails that you can send to your customer base is as long as my two arms put together. You want to say hello, you want to check how they're doing, you want to market your products, you want to ask where they've gone, and it goes on and on and on and on. But let's dive in and find out more about all those emails you can send. Number 1, the how you doing email. Guys, the how you doing email is a must send. Welcome emails generally get 4 or 5 times the click-through rate of their automated email brothers and sisters. They work best when they are clearly identified as what they are. You're welcoming somebody to your team or your family. And your welcome email subject line is your very first interaction with a customer. So it needs to be good. Welcome aboard, Captain. Make your recipient feel part of the team or family by referring to them that way. Welcome to the team or welcome to the family makes them feel part of a special club right away. Psst, we've got something special for you. Everybody loves free stuff. If you include something nice, like a little discount or a freebie in your welcome email, then you are on your way to a long, trusting relationship with a customer. Smother them at first and they'll come back for more in the future. Manners go far in any industry. Thank your customers for signing up to your product or service to show some humility. A simple thank you can go a long, long way. Right, welcome email's done. Let's get on to the next one. Number 2, the never gonna give you up email. Oh, look at that dog. You might have sent your welcome email a long time ago and heard nothing back. Don't worry, in this case you can send out an email that is triggered by your customer's inactivity. It's fair to say you missed them. Re-engagement emails have 1,000,001 different names, but they all fail in the same way if the subject line doesn't convey the right message. So let's have a closer look at some of the tactics you can deploy to get your re-engagement emails opened. Big things are happening here. FOMO, or fear of missing out, is a powerful energy. Lather it on. Offer some cheeky hints of what your company has been up to since the last time you saw them, and bam! Hit them with a newsletter. They're bound to come back begging for more. You tell us the problem, we'll fix it. Ask for feedback and everybody is a winner. If your customer truly does have a problem with you, you can find out what you need to do to get them back. If there's no problem, this subject popping up in their inbox is just a gentle reminder that you're still about. 20% off, but only because we miss you. Offer your customers a discount to lure them back, because as we mentioned, everybody loves free things. Finally, the look at me, I'm so interesting email. If you're anything like us, you've probably got loads of juicy content to publish. And like us, you're probably very proud of it, and you want to broadcast it to anybody that will listen. Well, email is obviously a good place to start, and your subject line can be the difference between your marketing team's hard work being worth it or not. So let's take a look at some of the subject lines you could use to get your emails opened. Psst, we've got something to tell you. We're all gossips at heart. You can play on this by framing your content as something secret that you want your audience to know about. This is war. How to win the battle of the inbox. We love a good title here in the NetHunt office. We try to make our titles as relevant and catchy and as enticing as possible. If your title's good enough, it can be the subject line of the email you use to market it. Because why not? You've written a great title, don't waste it by only using it once. We're beating the coronavirus blues. There's no better subject line than one that is relevant to what's going on in the world around you at that moment. If you can capture your audience's mood with a subject line, they are bound to open it. So there's 1,000,001 different emails you can send to your customers, and 1,000,001 different subject lines you can attach to each one of those emails. Doing the maths, that is 3 times 1,000,000 and carry that over and divided by 4, multiplying them, take that. A lot of emails. You need creativity, originality, and you need to believe in your email. A recipient takes somewhere between 6 and 10 seconds to decide if they're going to open it, so make sure you are on the right side of that. Get it right once, and who knows, they might decide to open every other email you send in the future. My guys, it's time for my least favorite part of the video, the goodbye. But you should hit those like and subscribe buttons, and know that we will be back soon to help your business grow better and grow happier. We want to know what you want to know, so hit us up in the comments below and tell us what you want the next video to be about. Thanks for watching guys, stay safe and have a good one. It's George, over and out.